Hi, this is Brody with Threshold 360 here with the next video in our Feature Friday series. So, as we lead up to our 24.2 release, we're going to focus on a few of our features and preview what's coming. And so, we're going to really spend some time on our hotspot feature and today focus on hotspot for sales. So, as a reminder, anybody with a pro or enterprise subscription has the ability to add hotspots directly into your virtual tours. And all you have to do is go into your dashboard, and right here, you'll see this button where it says Manage Hotspots. So you'll just go to the scene that you want, click this button right here, and you'll click Create Hotspot. What's great about this is it will show you all of the hotspots that have been created in that scene. So you can go to the different spaces within your tours, click on a scene, add a hotspot, and if you've created any before, you'll see it. All you do is click this button, and you'll just drag and drop. So you can move around. You can put this right here. And at that point, you can start to provide information. So the hotspots are a fantastic tool for lead generation, providing more information about a space, maybe showing what the space looks like when it's set up differently or when it's set up at all. You're going to see an example soon that we've captured spaces where they're completely empty and now the user can see them when they're set up. So you'll just put a name here. So let's do event rentals. You can add a description if you want. So if you want to, pricing starts at, let's say 2000 for up to 6 hours and can seat 60. So that way you can provide information about the space. Right now, you'll just have this icon. As I will mention at the end, we're going to have some more icons coming in the 24.2 release. And then you can add an image. So if you have a JPEG or a PNG, you can add that directly in. And then also with 24.2, you're going to be able to add video URLs too. So that's not live just yet, but we will have that very soon. And then for here, you can put a URL. So if you have an info page or a learn more page, you can drop that link right in here. And then you can add a call to action. So if you wanted to do like book now, any call to action and any URLs you want. So you are not constricted. You can do anything you want. You can put that right there. Click save. And now when you go to look, you'll see you've got yourself a hotspot. What's great about these are they are dynamic, so you can edit them at any time and you can delete them at any time. As a reminder, the hotspot feature is universal. So if you add it to one of your tours, it is going to show up no matter how it's being shared. That's just how the functionality is. So from a sales perspective, what can I do with these hotspots? How can my team utilize it? So the first example I want to showcase is Freedom Boat Club in Corpus Christi. And I love this example because this is just a beautiful tour. And I think when you think of a Freedom Boat Club, you think about just renting the boat. But what's awesome about this Corpus Christi location is that there's so much more to it. They've got a tiki bar, they've got a restaurant, they've got a full fleet of boats. And so when you're in the tour, they've used the hotspot feature to actually try to push their membership. So you'll see you've both got this call to action right here, as well as this lead generation mechanism with this membership. And so right now they're using an image. Soon they're going to utilize a video. But as you can see here, they've pushed to learn more about the page, and then same with membership. So they could have a call to action in there as well. But this is just one great way to, even if you're not selling a space, just getting people signed up. It is a recruiting mechanism. A second is just, again, selling different parts of the space that may not be obvious in a virtual tour. So this is a local business here in St. Pete that we work with, the St. Pete Salt Room. It's a new business. And what I love about this example is that you'll notice if you just saw the virtual tour, it's really cool, but you may not realize a lot of what's in this room is actually for sale. So with the hotspot feature, they're calling out that the salt lamps are for sale, and this actually pushes to their retail page. Over here, you'll see that this information calls out this space. And then what's really cool is as you go in, we'll have to click into the next one here, I think. Yep. So as you go through, you may just see this little tub right here and have no idea what this is, but it's actually one of the treatments that they offer. So again, it's a really cool opportunity for you to sell all the different elements within your space, whether you're selling, a major event space or just a local business selling things within your business. And so here, this calls out, what is halotherapy? Again, you see the space, it's really cool, but you actually provide more information. You've got this learn more link, and you've got a call to action. So I really love this example to highlight all the things you can do with the hotspot feature. Next, Trione Winery in Sonoma County. I like to use this because we added it for a link, but as you can see, they've also utilized it it will show up on the listing page as well. And like I said, we captured this space when it was completely empty. It's a really cool space, but it may be hard for the user to visualize what it looks like when it's set up. So with that hotspot feature, you can actually showcase what it looks like set up, provide information about the space, and then this takes you directly to their landing page. So just another way that your sales team can utilize this for selling spaces. Couple more examples. One would be selling rooms. So again, if you're wanting to utilize our embed codes to highlight individual rooms on your pages, you can. So Samar Hospitality, this is one of their locations in at Great Neck. And I love that within these different pages, they've actually added the hotspots. They haven't really, there's nothing really extra, but you're just adding that call to action. So you have that lead generation directly in the tour. I've seen the space. I have a better understanding for it now. I realize this room looks really nice. Instead of having to go all the way up back to the top of the page, it's right here, and I can click book now, and there we go. I'm ready to start booking. So again, that ability to just add the lead generation and the sales mechanism directly in your tours is fantastic. The last example I wanted to showcase is a preview of what's coming. So like I said, we do have 24.2 coming very soon. With that, you're going to have a few more icons. So one is going to be a photo icon, an accessibility icon. So you can actually call out accessible spaces if you're wanting to sell those spaces to travelers of all types with all different abilities. You can. And then the last is going to be a video icon. And why is that? Well, as you can see in this demo example, if you click on this video icon, you will be able to showcase hosted videos that you have directly in these hotspots. So now you can actually sell the space with an interactive video. So with this example in Fenway, they have the Fenway's Wasabi Bowl on the field. And with this video, it's actually a full highlight reel. And again, you've got information about the bowl. This pushes to the bowl page, and this takes you to their purchase ticket page. So we will be giving you guys more information about the release soon, but we're really excited because with 24.2, you will be able to add hosted videos directly into your hotspot. So any hosted videos you have, whether it's a sizzle reel, it's a beach cam, a ski cam, as long as it's hosted, you can drop that directly in and just show what a wedding looks like in a space. World Equestrian Center, if you want to show a horse tournament going on, you have that ability with these new video hotspots. So that is our hotspot for sales. Like always, we'd be more than happy to answer any questions you have, set up a training with your sales team, and please be on the lookout for more of these videos. Thank you so much.